Imagine having a superpower that could save your life in the wild. Well, what do horned lizards do? Meet the horned lizard, a creature with a bizarre defense mechanism straight out of a sci-fi movie. When threatened, these little guys can shoot blood from their eyes. But how do they do it? It's all about pressure. The lizard builds up pressure in its head, bursting tiny blood vessels near its eyes, and boom, blood squirts out. This isn't just for show. The blood tastes awful to predators like coyotes and bobcats, making them think twice about having lizard for lunch. But what's in the blood that's so nasty? It contains high concentrations of chemicals that taste downright disgusting to predators. For the lizard, it's a win-win. The predator gets a mouthful of yuck, and the lizard gets to live another day. Next time you see a horned lizard, remember its incredible bloody secret. Nature is full of surprises.